Okay, here we are with another flow or CFM testing on contour fan, OEM motors and fan blades, and contour fan housing with Focus 11 blade fans and motors pulled from a wrecker. So just a quick note to start the whole thing off. For the anemometer, I set in the cross-sectional area. It's the same for both, but basically you figure out how much open air space is going to come through. You can put it in, and therefore it gives you the CFMs. What I did here is I came up with 11 inches on the OD. I came up with 5.5, which is basically your motor and your shrouding in the middle. Did the area of each section about. So basically what I came up with was about a square foot of open area that the fan blades push air through. Works the same for both units. So I put it in, so 2 fan blades on 1 unit, but 1 square foot. I've punched that number into the unit, and then when we run it here, it should give accurate CFMs. On a little side note, I don't recall what number I had in this unit in the anemometer in my other videos, so the bigger purpose here is more so comparison between the 2 fan setups to see does it flow more air. So anyway, we'll give it a shot here. We will shoot for, we're using factory contour wiring, so a high speed and low speed, and we'll do both, and we'll see what the CFMs are. This is low speed, you can tell by the sound. It's about 2200 CFM on low speed, dual fans. And we'll go to high speed. Okay, so that was about 2700. Battery's down a little bit right now. I've seen it 5 minutes ago just doing some testing. It got up to about 28. Again, this is kind of relative to what this meter is set at. But we'll pause here and I'll swap over the setups, and we'll do the same test. Give the battery some time to juice up again, and we'll do the same on the Focus fan blades. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so I've got it set up. Again, got the anemometer about the same position as it was with the factory contour fans. The sensor about middle of the airstream, about the same spot. Battery voltage is up to about the same spot it was too, so we'll give it a shot here. And again, this is for comparison purposes, and we will do low speed first. Let me get pointed over there. Okay, so low speed was about 2200 CFM. And we'll see what the high speed does right now immediately. I don't remember what the voltage was when we did high last time, but we'll give it a shot and we'll see. Okay, I'm going to give the battery a little bit more time to get some charge up there. I don't think it's giving it a fair shot. As you see, the voltage is going down to about 10. So anyway, we'll pause here and we'll come back in a minute. Okay, so it's come back up to about 14 volts. So we'll do high speed again. Again, a little tip: if you've got factory contour wiring, the white color wire is your low speed, the darker color is your high speed wire. Most harnesses I've ever found, that's what the case has been. So let's give high speed a shot here. Okay, so I saw 34 there. So I will contest that the air blowing at me here, you can definitely feel the difference between contour fans and blades versus the Focus fans and blades. And then again, relatively speaking, similar similar battery and power supply, and that obviously much bigger numbers, same meter, that kind of stuff. So for those that were interested, here's at least one test. Again, use same parameters in the anemometer for both, so they're relative to each other, but not necessarily relative to anybody else's numbers out there, because who knows how they tested it. All right. Anyways, enjoy.